Okay. Right, children, you should know what to do here. Here's a spider. Is the spider going to go to the flower, the ice cream, or the acorn? Yes, the spider's going to go to the baby spider. Was that a flower? I think it's a flower. So you're going to, can I start with my pen? No. Put your pen down. First your finger, turn the corner, turn the corner, turn the corner 3 times. Now look how my pen has to be held. Froggy swim, swim. Look at my froggy leg swimming. My lid is down. I've got an anchor hand. This finger is not bossing that finger. They are kissing over there. This finger is supporting. I'm not holding too close. I'm not holding at the back here. I'm just holding here. Now I'm going to go with my anchor hand in the middle, turn the corner, and over there. Now is the squirrel going to go to the ice cream or to the acorn? I think to the acorn. Up and down, up and down, up and down 3 times before you go. Try not to do this and go all over the place. Try and stay in the middle of the road. Well done. Now here's a dot-to-dot butterfly, but there are no numbers. So you can go anywhere and remember from the 1 dot to the next dot, to the 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 dot. Then you pick up and you carry on. Make a beautiful butterfly. Do both wings, and if you'd like to, you can colour it in. Now let's look at the number sense for today. You've got 4 pages to do. Remember how to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Point with your finger as you say. Now you have to use a thin pencil crayon for here, where you have to trace the cow's path. First with your finger, not just very slowly and very carefully. Then when you go, you have to stay in between. Look at my froggy fingers can swim. Look at my anchor hand. And I can go, oh, I'm going on the line. Stay on the path for the cow. How many chickens? 1, 2. It says how many legs. So you see how I made a mistake? I jumped to count the chickens, but now it's saying how many legs. And I don't mind if you make a circle or Mummy makes a circle. So that tells you, wow, 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 something to remember. It's legs that I'm counting. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. I found number 4 and I circle it. This is a cow. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the teacher here was already circled for me. Count the legs, count the legs. Here you have to trace the bee's path. Remember 3 times with your finger first. Now, colour the big animals. I know you can't read these words yet, but when in grade 1 and you do this, it helps your brain to remember. Colour the big animals. Is this a big animal? No. Is this a big animal? Yes, that's a big mommy cow. Can you find any more big ones? And more big ones. Is she big? No. Right. Trace the numbers. So you are going to trace round, cross, left to right. Bum, bum. Remember this one? Skew, left to right, top down, straight back, fat tummy. Mummy says put on your hat, and you can do number 6. And all you need to do here is read with your finger. Point 1, that's the word 1, and number 1. 2, 2, and 2. And then you have to do 2 more pages because you're getting ready for grade 1. The writing says, is there a flower for every bee? So we have to see, is there a flower? So we need to know an answer. So this bee can have this flower, 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 this bee can have this flower. I've used up all the flowers and I've got this bee. So is there a flower for every bee? Is the answer yes or no? No, there are not enough flowers for every bee. Circle the correct number. So we're not counting legs this time. How many chickens? 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. When the teacher in the book gives you an answer like there, it's usually to explain. So it says circle the correct number. So there's a 2 and I see 2 cows. So I know I'm not counting legs, I'm counting the animals or the picture. So here I'm not counting bees, I'm counting beehives. I'm counting snails, I'm counting bees. I'm reading 1, 1, 1. I'm pointing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is Mum, this is Dad. An adult will read for you. It's exactly what you did yesterday. Color Mum's clothes red. So you can put a red circle around Mum and red. And then it says color Dad's clothes blue. So to help you remember, can't seem to find that blue, so I'm going to use this blue. You can put a blue circle around Dad. So we know everything for Mum is red, everything for Dad is blue. Circle the correct number. So how many shoes in the picture? There are 2 shoes and they've circled 2. And you can finish and then you are done, done, done for the week. See you later on Monday. Have a happy weekend, grade R's.